Hi. You better go get him. Go get him. She's gonna get you, Jake. She got you. Tag. Uh-oh. Go, go, go. No, we can't climb the steps tonight. No, no. No, we already did it once. All done. All done. Oh, you better get her, Jakey. Get her, get her, get her. Go get her. Quick. Quick. He's coming to get you, Maddie. Maddie. Oh, he's going to surpass you. Don't hit the wall, honey. Oh, yes, we found a new toy here. Okay. Go get her, Jake. Jakey, go get Maddie. Go get her. Go get her. Quick, quick, quick. He's going to get you. I think she likes chasing him better. This seems to be the more fun game. Silly. Yep. You guys are so funny. Is that cool or what?